Pickaholics. I come to you today with my newest pick. I'm calling this one the Harp. This is actually a harp neck. This is made for Jeff Lewis, who is a master luthier and a harp builder. I believe it's Lewis Creek Harps is what he makes. This is actually leopard wood. It's a half tang construction, 301 LLT 0.5 millimeter. He wanted a rattan DeForest tip on there. We have 23 dots of silver inlay representing the string location on the harp neck, and the pins are actually leopard wood as well, so everything is leopard wood. This came out so gorgeous. It's a very, very pretty wood. Made him a little suite of picks too. We have a LLT Executive Pro pry bar with the Tiffany gem tip on it. This is in red iron bark. It's a really beautiful wood as well too. Ovangkol ridgeback. Both of these have the satin finish. It's one of the things that it's always hard to show. You can see how one is satin and one is high polish. I went super high polish on that one. But the satin, I love that finish. And I'm also sending him one of my little pick kits. These are a DIY idea I had for making your own pick. I send it to you and you make your own pick. The whole thing comes apart. You build it and make it look like one of these. This one is a Sparrow's Tron with 1/8 inch tubes in them. They come apart easier one way than the other. Everything's been prepped, ground down for epoxy, tips been polished. Everything fits up really, really nicely, and it's just been dry fitted so it can be put back together again very, very easily. Scales are labeled. We'll put it back together again. This is the way I do a dry fit before I do a glue up. But he gets to shape the scales and go from there. And that is it. Have a great day, Pickaholics. Jeff, enjoy these.